Do you still watch movies on VCR player? Without a doubt, no. Every time a new cell phone is announced, do you buy the most recent model? If you use an iPhone, like over 50% of users, the answer is probably yes. In your lifetime, how many computers have you used? Most likely quite a few. Have any major household appliances recently been updated? Perhaps, given that more consumers than ever are buying new appliances. So the actual query is, where do all those old, broken down, or inoperable electronics go? Any electronic product or anything containing electronic components that has reached the end of its functional life cycle is considered electronic garbage, commonly referred to as e-waste.
Both heavy metals and flame retardants can seep directly into the soil as a result of improper e-waste disposal in regular landfills or places where it is illegally dumped. This can contaminate nearby groundwater as well as crops that may be planted there in the future, which can lead to a variety of ailments and prevent the agriculture from being as productive as it could be. The amount of soil contaminated depends on a variety of factors, including temperature, soil type, pH levels, and soil composition. Large particles released from burning, shredding, or dismantling e-waste quickly redeposit to the ground and contaminate the soil as well.
Air pollution arises from the informal disposal of e-waste, accomplished through methods like dismantling, shredding, or melting materials. This leads to the release of dust particles and toxins such as dioxins into the environment, causing air pollution and harm to respiratory health. E-waste of low value is often incinerated, which also serves as a means to recover valuable metals like copper. Burning of e-waste poses a higher risk of chronic diseases and cancers due to the emission of fine particles that can travel long distances, posing health hazards to both humans and animals.
Following soil contamination, e-waste heavy metals like mercury, lithium, lead, and barium subsequently flow even further through the earth to reach groundwater. These heavy metals eventually find their way into ponds, lakes, streams, and rivers once they enter groundwater. Even if a community is kilometers distant from our recycling site, these channels cause acidification and toxification in the water, making it unhealthy for animals, plants, and communities.
The negative effects on human health are toxic components of electronic waste that endanger human health, such as mercury, lead, cadmium, fully bromated flame retardants, barium, and lithium. The negative health effects of these toxins on humans include damage to the brain, heart, liver, kidneys, and skeletal system. It can also have a significant impact on the human nervous and reproductive systems, leading to disease and birth defects. Improper e-waste disposal is extremely hazardous to the global environment, which is why it is critical to raise awareness about this growing problem and its threatening consequences.